Welcome back, financial forecasters. I have been away. I have been working 12-hour days, 6 days a week, 60 hours a week of work. I'm killing myself, but we're all about that FIRE movement. We want financial independence, retire early, and in my industry, I have to work for it. I am a wage slave, and I've been working, but don't think I haven't been keeping my eyes on the investing rules. We have 2 companies in my portfolio that came out with fantastic news, and I want to talk about them today. We got Aritzia and we got TFI International. So let's go. Financial forecaster, why I love these companies, why they're in my stocks. And guys, the grind of working 60 hours a week is real. Sorry I haven't been here, but I'm still here. I'm still grinding. Let's go, financial forecaster, getting rich together. All right, first off, Aritzia, man, I had never thought this was going to be the gem of my portfolio, and I am so excited it is. It has nearly doubled its profit from Q1 last year. They're up $18 million, and you know what? That is fantastic. The rebound is real. The share price is showing it. If you look at Aritzia's share price any time in the last couple of months, you can see the definite upswing, and this is a Wednesday morning right after earnings, so we don't know what the market's going to think of it yet, but I'm predicting a good 5% push. I hope that it comes, but I love my Aritzia position. I think the company is very well managed. I think it's very bullish. They're heading into men's sportswear. Reigning Champ was a great acquisition. The online store is growing, and as soon as these stores start coming from store closures, more than half their stores are still closed. As soon as these start opening, it's just going to keep snowballing, I think. And I think Aritzia is a great pick for your portfolio. If you want a retail growth story with great management, Aritzia is fantastic. I use it. I love it. It's fantastic. You ask any girl Aritzia is the place to be. So that's Aritzia. It's, again, $18 million of profit. They're finally back in the profit. They have doubled the revenue. They're right back on track, and they have a plan going forward. And that's what I like to hear when I'm investing in a growth stock. So Aritzia, keep doing what you're doing, and we'll keep watching you. All right, next. Next is TFI International. Guys, it's a shipping company, a freight company. They just bought UPS Freight last year, and they came out, it's now T-Force Freight, or whatever it's just a name change. TFI did not need to come out early before their earnings and tell us how well they were doing, but they did, and it's not gonna sound like a lot, but I can assure you that it is. There was estimated that it was gonna be 97% operating margin right off the bat, and TFI says it's even better than that. It's 95 and below, and they're gonna keep on working on it and getting it lower. Now that is a story that you want to hear. They bought a company that's going to inject a healthy amount of revenue back into their system, and it's already more efficient than they thought it was going to be. That is a good acquisition. I'm excited to hear it. Do I love TFI? And do I think it's gonna keep going up? Well, it's had a little bit of a run. I wouldn't be buying anywhere over 105, honestly. It's got a pretty paltry dividend, but they've been known to raise it even 10% sometimes, and I'm hoping for it because it's at 1% right now, which is negligible for a company like this. It's not a super growth company, but they're going forward. Let's hope those dividend increases keep rolling in. I love it in my portfolio. It's in my RRSP. It's a long-term hold, and I think the shipping revolution is just getting started, and it's going to keep going. So TFI International, shipping company, they came in, their acquisition has way better margins than they thought. Again, a 1% can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions. So that's TFI International. Thanks for joining me at the Financial Forecaster. I've been crazy busy. Again, 60 hours a week, 12-hour days, going from one job to another. I'm at work right now, and I just wanted to talk to you guys, put out a video, living the life, getting rich as a wage slave like so many people out there. Guys, you work your hours, you get paid. It depends how hard you work, and that's why we invest, so we can get out of this cycle and we can enjoy life finally, retire wealthy, and just see what the world has to offer. So please hit that like and subscribe. Financial Forecaster, getting rich together.